here from Create with Scrimpingmommy. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new here, please do hit that subscribe button and make sure you click the notification bell so that YouTube will let you know every time I upload a brand new video for you. So I'm here today to share a brand new perk that I am adding to my Ko-fi monthly members club. So the link to my Ko-fi is in the description box below, and I do have a monthly members club, and they get all of these fantastic journaling joy exclusive collections that I create every month specifically for them, along with lots of other freebies. So the monthly collections I have just started adding to the shop section. Previously we added them to member posts, but I've put them in the shop section so people can see every month what the monthly subscribers are getting, and to make it easier. But I've added another perk. So on top of the monthly collections and the other digitals that I give them for free, which are exclusive, and when I do Facebook freebies, I typically share them over there and give them extras. It just depends, you know, what I'm doing and what I'm making, and if I get some inspiration and I'm having a play with digitals, then the Ko-fi members end up with them to see if they're useful. But they always get this specific full monthly journal collection. It's £3 a month. Now in my shop section, there are items that you can purchase without being a member. However, if you are a member now and pay the £3 a month, on top of all of the exclusive things that you get, I'm also giving a permanent 25% discount on shop items. So if I create a digital collection that is for sale in my shop and not a member one that you get free as part of your membership, you will automatically get 25% off. So you can shop any collection if you are a monthly member and get an amazing 25% off. Now my prices are so low in my shop that if I did any more than that, I would be you know, destitute. I'm only kidding, I wouldn't be destitute, because I create digitals because I just love making them. But this is a brand new perk, and that discount is not just for a weekend or a bank holiday or a special offer. That is permanent. So if you join my Ko-fi members club, and all you need to do is go over to my Ko-fi, look for the membership button, click that and set it up, you will get all of these lovely collections. You will also be able to download all of the previous ones. If you join today, you can download all the previous collections as well. And then as a perk of staying a member, you get all of the new collections that are coming up, all of the new extra digitals that you'll find in the members only posts section, and you'll also get a permanent 25% off when I upload any new collections in the shop or off any existing collections in the shop. And I am on a digital frenzy at the moment, so there are going to be on top of all of the members things that you get as part of your membership, there's going to be some new shop items. So when those new shop items become available, you will automatically get 25% off. And that is my way of saying thank you to my members, saying a massive thank you to those who stay subscribed month in and month out and don't just come and subscribe, grab these things and then leave. They stay subscribed, because when you're paying that £3 a month to my Ko-fi, it's not just, you know, paying for or paying towards the digital collections I give you. It's supporting me in my crafty journey. At £3 a month is a very, very low price for the things that I give. And so really, it's more about supporting me as a creator, as a YouTube creator, so that I can bring you fantastic collections, and lots of, all my tutorials are free except for the odd cutting guide when I do larger projects like larger folios or boxes and things like that. Those I do charge for, but I still keep it very low. And as a member, those that you don't get for free, most of them are free to members, you'll get 25% off. So I'm always wanting to make sure that my subscription club is affordable. It's one of the, if not the lowest price around for the perks and benefits. So I'm extending those perks and benefits to and 25% off is a whopping amount when most of my digitals are like £2.50 and under. Okay, it's a whopping discount. But I strive to make sure that everybody is able to afford to make journals with beautiful digital prints. Obviously, you can make journals from nothing, from your own art or from books or whatever. But sometimes using a digital collection is just amazing because they never run out. You download them, you've got them forever, and you can print and print and print all your favourite pages as many times as you like. You're not limited. Okay, there's lots of variety of things on my Ko-fi shop, full collections. I've got Journaling Basics collection. I've got my Journaling Basics ephemera collection. I've got a collection with 100 tags for you to just print and cut out, already done, all collaged, perfect, all the work done for you. Along with my other beautiful collections, the Steampunk collection was very popular. My English Country Garden collection was super popular. So there's lots and lots on there if you scroll through my Ko-fi shop. And if you remember, you can grab them at 25% off. As I say, that is a permanent perk. It won't ever run out. And that discount, if you make sure that when you are on my Ko-fi site, you're always logged in, you're using your Ko-fi password so that it recognises you as a member, that discount will be applied automatically before checkout. So there you go. I hope that just a little bit more budgeting, look after the pennies and the pounds look after themselves. That is my motto. And if I can just help that little bit more towards making your crafty budget go further, especially for those who support me month in and month out, then hopefully it will help. So that's it for today. If you're not a member, please do join. If it's not your cup of tea, that's fine. You can have a look on there. If you look in the shop section, there are free digitals. If you look in the gallery section, there's also free things for you to print out. So you can still support me in lots of ways without purchasing. And your biggest way of supporting me is this channel. Subscribe. I'm on my way to 50,000. I really want to get there before the end of this year. Fingers crossed we can do it, and I would be absolutely thrilled. So there you go. That's my little way of saying thank you and my little way of making your crafty budget spread just that little bit further so that you can enjoy creating. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.